Hey everyone, Rowan here from Brite Deck. I'm excited to introduce to you our beautiful new range of high density boards, the HD Pro range. Build your dream deck with Australia's most durable and low maintenance board. Made from a blend of sustainable wood fibres and recycled plastics, the high density series features a powerful double UV shield providing unmatched performance under intense heat and wet weather. This collection also has an R11 P5 slip rating, making it perfect for pools and outdoor areas. Every board is crafted with easy living in mind. Anti-slip, no rotting, no warping, termite resistant, and no need for sealing or painting. This is a very low maintenance board, engineered to withstand the elements, but will maintain a beautiful, contemporary look for many years to come. The HD Pro is conveniently dual coloured with a gorgeous wood grain finish. Simply flip it over to redefine the look and feel of your outdoor living space. This collection is available in 3 dual-sided boards, giving you 6 unique colours to pick from. If you're thinking about using Brite Deck for your house or business, then please go to our website or give us a call. We'd love to help you and give you any advice that you might need. Talk to you soon.